squash, seeds, or ground. Basil is used in soup, tomato sauce, and salad. It is also used on pizza rather, vegetables, chicken, and vegetables. Number 2, bay leaf. Bay leaf. Bay leaf is an herb that comes from the evergreen bay laurel tree. Bay leaves are commonly dried. They are used in soup, stew, vegetables, and meat. Bay leaves are generally removed from the food before serving. Nakakita na ba kayo ng bay leaf? Yung laurel leaf, yun siya. Kahit di mas Ma'am, excuse for I have a question. Ma'am, ang bay leaf kay laurel siya bang tapos iba din yun sa yung paparis dito paminta, ma'am. Dapat siya sa paminta. Okay. Bay from the bay laurel. Then number 3 is chervil. It's a slight peppery herb that is shaped like parsley. It is available fresh or dried, as squash, leaf, or ground. Chervil. The chervil. Can be used in soup, salad, and fish, and sandwich dishes and baked goods. So, these herbs are used, it is useful in every dish that you will prepare as long as it is